Med3DP is a graduate initiative run in the School of Engineering here in Trinity College, Dublin. So through this module, they identify a problem, find a solution, and use their engineering skills to design a solution to that problem, prototype, and share those solutions through 3D printing codes around the world. This has ranged from stethoscopes to umbilical cord clips to water pumps. 3D printing goes all the way from conceptual design of medical devices to the surgical clinic. Surgeons are able to use X-ray CT scans and MRI scans to generate 3D models of different organs. Not every patient is the same. Some present complex geometries in their organs. Generating the 3D model of these organs can allow the surgeon to simulate a surgery and be more informed in their decisions when intervening with the patient.